Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed about crucial updates can greatly impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.21. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, with a gain of 0.59%. So, on average, it has been delivering a daily return of 0.29% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock will react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $185.85, it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -2.80% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -11.70% and -1.22%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a potential change of 32.52% over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 22.28% and 53.01%, resulting in a price range of $223.64 to $279.84 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple reveals that their stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to a hold/accumulate after Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a gain of 0.588%, rising from $181.82 to $182.89. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.02%, reaching a low of $181.60 and a high of $183.45. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 6.89%, with gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 22 million shares on the last day, with a total of 48 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8.77 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume with rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Apple stock was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 7.73%, $15.33, below its 52-week high and 19.88%, $45.37, below its all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Apple stock. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James upgraded Apple with an outperform grade and recommended a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Evercore ISI also gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Barclays, on Thursday, November 2, 2023, assigned Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Lastly, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Analysts unanimously agree on giving Apple stock a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as exceptional, both receiving a strong buy rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more conservative view, rating the stock as neutral. Today, let's take a closer look at some key signals for Apple stock. The moving averages, both short-term and long-term, are showing buy signals, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, further supporting this buy signal. In case of any downward corrections, there is support at $177.56 and $174.97. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 9.59%. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and requires close observation of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which gave a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which also provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator gave a buy signal 9 days ago. We also have the short-term moving average, which indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. And the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 6 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, if we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 3 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today we'll be talking about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $177.97. This is an important level to watch as it could provide a buying opportunity. When support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Apple is known for its consistently good trading volume, which means there is generally low risk associated with investing in this stock. On the last trading day, the stock price moved $1.85 or 1.02% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.62%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is relatively normal, which is often the case for businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, Apple's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to delve into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $182.91. For those without any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $177.97. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Apple from multiple analysts is strongly recommended for purchase. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trading activity. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Condo Chris, who bought and sold a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 21.668. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,317,906 shares and sold a total of 3,785,262 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $176.96, which represents a decrease of 3.24%. This particular stock experiences minimal fluctuations on a daily basis, making it a low-risk investment option. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 9 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple has several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate or an opportunity to accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After evaluating the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate Apple to open down by $0.244 and start trading at $182.65. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.